Oh, hello, Mumbai.
Welcome to day 40. It's been 40 days since I started traveling, and most days I spent them at hostels with shared bathrooms. So today I thought I'd get my own bathroom.
At the Four Seasons Hotel in Mumbai.
This place is insane. It has a city view of Mumbai. You don't like city views? I'm sure you like swimming then. No?
Or a jacuzzi with a view?
Maybe some sauna to relax your muscles? Care for some fruit? Bon appetit! Anyway, this is my last day in India. Thanks for having me. And I'll leave you with a time lapse. That's 1 minute. See you tomorrow.